I'd say I've had a pretty good life. It all started when I courageously fell from the sky. Anyway, where you land determines your life as water. I was destined to be drinking water.
Yay!
Ah, a good day. Honestly, humans have no respect for water. Some water drops are lucky. They live a long life. They're recycled. Like great uncle Herbert Henry Oswald. His job was to be shower water. He was dramatic, I know. But that's not where his life ended. He was collected in a bucket and used to wash windows. After that, he watered plants. Ah, such a long, eventful life. But not all of us are that lucky. Like I said, I was destined to be drinking water, but that didn't exactly happen. There I was, all ready to be drunk, when... Yep, I was to be used for a water fight. A water fight. My new destiny. I watched as my friends were dried up by the sun, one by one. Now I'm just waiting. Waiting to die. They say you come back in another life, do it all again. I just wish I had achieved something more while I was here. Be as great as Uncle Herbert Henry Oswald. Well, bye, I guess.